Okay, here's a video about how to correctly set the dials on the stove in Unit 1 at the Keele Street property so that we don't run into the problem of the oven not working. So you can see there's 3 dials, 1, 2, 3, and then this is the temperature setting knob for the oven. So the first dial is the time of day, and this clock is broken. The second dial is the start time for turning the oven on, and then the third dial is labeled cooking hours. So to make sure that you don't run into this trouble with the oven not turning on because of this timer settings are screwed up, notice that the clock setting is at 7 o'clock. Again, the clock is broken, so unless someone changes the clock time, it's never going to move from 7 o'clock. And notice here the start time is also at 7 o'clock. And so on the cooking hours dial, you can see that the knob is set to manual. I guess that means, I don't know. Anyways, so to make sure that the oven is going to turn on, you have to have the clock setting the same as the start time setting, and the cooking hours dial has to be on manual. And then if you turn the knob, you see the light went on, so the oven will turn on. If, say, for instance, the start time is past 7 o'clock, let's try that now. I'll put it up to 9 o'clock. So then, if I turn the knob now, it's not going to turn on. Okay. So if we wanted it to turn on now, let's just make it a nice round number. I'll set it to 10 here. So if it's set to 10, then I need to move the clock setting to 10 before we can get it to start again. You hear that click? I think that was something to do with the electrics inside. So now it's at about 10. And now if we try this again, the oven should turn on. Yeah, so we saw the light come on. So clock setting is the same as start time setting, and it's on manual. Okay, so that's how we do it.